Oh, just something took it and it was. Something had it. There's one.
You got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Not.
Always about the same size as one.
Really?
That's a good size.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Got on the drop shot under this bridge. I missed him the first cast, but I got him right after. He got it right on the drop.
See?
Nice one on the drop shot. Release. So I caught that last fish on I think it was probably 6-inch robo worm with the fire, or I think it's like a fire tail, chartreuse tail. And I think this is a green pumpkin color. I don't know what the actual name is, but it's a drop shot with probably a 12-inch leader to the weight, and then a little straight shank hook. Works great for drop shots, so see if we can get some more. There's one. It's one on a Carolina rig with the green pumpkin and baby brush hog. A little tiny one, but better than nothing. A little dinky. Nice little bass on the Carolina rig with the green pumpkin and baby brush hog. Here's the release. There he goes. There's one. Another small one, but better than nothing. Another largemouth on the baby brush hog on the Carolina rig, green pumpkin. And yeah, a little small, but it's better than nothing.